हेलो स्टूडेंट, आई एम मनोज कुमार और मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जामिनेशन 16 विच इज हेल्ड ऑन 31 अक्टूबर 2021। जिसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, अंडर सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड फाइंड द इनकरेक्ट मैच। ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 5 रेवेन्यू कोड, ऑप्शन बी सेक्शन 7 प्रोविंशियल स्मॉल कॉजेज कोड, ऑप्शन सी सेक्शन 9 पेकुनरी jurisdiction of court, option D section 8 Presidency Small Cause Court. Option C, Section 9 Pecuniary Jurisdiction of Court is correct because under Civil Procedure Code find the incorrect match. So here is Section 9 is a correct option because of Section 9 CPC does not deal with the pecuniary jurisdiction of court. It provides for the court to try all civil suits unless barred. Question number 22. What is the period of limitation for expeditious disposal of suit under Specific Relief Act 1963? Option A 6 months, option B 10 months, option C 12 months, option D 18 months. Option C 12 month is a correct answer. Because of section 20C of Specific Relief Act 1963 mandates that notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 5 of 1908, a suit filed under the provisions of this Act shall be disposed of by the court within a period of 12 months from the date of service of summons to the defendant. So here is option C is a correct answer. Question number 23. The Chief Judicial Magistrate may pass sentence of imprisonment. एक चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट कितनी सजा सुना सकता है? ऑप्शन ए नॉट एक्सीडिंग 7 ईयर, ऑप्शन बी एक्सीडिंग 7 ईयर, ऑप्शन सी फॉर लाइफ, ऑप्शन डी none of the above. Option A is a correct answer. Question number 24. Harboring an offender who has escaped from custody or whose apprehension has been ordered if the offence be capital is dealt under. Option A section 215 of Indian Penal Code, option B section 216 of Indian Penal Code, option C section 217 of IPC, option D section 218 of IPC. Option B is a correct answer. 216 of IPC talk about the harboring offender who has escaped from custody or whose apprehension has been ordered. So here is option B is a correct answer. Question number 25. The maxim actus non facit reum nisi mens sit rea means. Option A, there can be no crime without a guilty mind. Option B, crime has to be coupled with guilty mind. Option C, crime is the result of guilty mind. Option D, in crime intention is relevant, motive is irrelevant. Option A is a correct answer. Because of actus non facit reum nisi mansit rea literally means that an act does not make anyone guilty unless there is a crime intent or guilty mind. So option A is a correct answer. Question number 26. Law laid down under section 73 of Indian Contract Act 1872 is related to which of the following cases? Contract Act 1872 enact 1st September 1872. Uh, Here is related to which the following case उस केस रिलेटेड क्या है ऑप्शन ए है हॉटेस्टर वर्सेस डी लेटोर ऑप्शन बी रबिन्सन वर्सेस डेविंसन ऑप्शन सी हैडले वर्सेस बैक्सेंडेल ऑप्शन डी डिक्सन वर्सेस डेट्स ऑप्शन सी इज ए करेक्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. Recovery of specific immovable property may be obtained by CPC within what period? Option A within 7 months, option B within 6 months, option C within 8 months, option D within 10 months. Option B is a correct answer 6 months. Question number 28. Who appoints the Commissioner for Rehabilitation and Resettlement under the LARR Act? Option A LAR Authority. Option B Minister of Environment and Forest. Option C Central Government. Option D State Government. Option D State Government is a correct answer. Because of Section 44, the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement Act 2023 mandates that the state government shall appoint an officer of the rank of commissioner or secretary of the government for rehabilitation and resettlement of affected families under this act to be called the Commissioner for Rehabilitation and Resettlement. So here the state government appoint this officer. Option D is a correct answer. Question number 29. The bond under section 109 CRPC as security for good behavior from suspected person can be executed for a period not exceeding option A 6 months, option B 2 year, option C 1 year, option D 3 months. Option C 1 year is a correct answer. Because of Section 109 CRPC states that when the executive magistrate receive information that there is within his local jurisdiction a person taking prosecution to conceal his presence कोई छुपा रहा है prosecution mm, that there is reason to believe that he is doing so what a view to committed a cognizable offense, the magistrate may, in the manner hereinafter provided requires such person to show cause why he should not be ordered to execute a bond with or without surety for his good behavior for such period, not exceeding 1 year as the magistrate think fit. So here is option C is a correct answer. Question number 28. Sorry, question number 30. The maximum limit of rates 500 that could be paid to the wife as maintenance under section 125 of CRPC 1973 was removed in option A 1973, option B 1989, option C 2001, option D 2007. Option C 2001 is a correct answer. The explanation for the option C 2001. The Criminal Procedure Code amendment in 2001 omitted the maximum limit of rates 500 that could be paid to the wife, child, father, or mother as maintenance under section 125 of CRPC. Question number 31. The term WIPO stands for option A World Investment Policy Organization, option B World Intellectual Property Organization, option C Wildlife Investigation and Policing Organization, option D World Institute for Prevention of Organization. Option B World Intellectual Property Organization is a correct option. Question number 20. Oh, sorry. Question number 32. Health and education cess is applicable to A. All assesses. B. All assesses except company. Option C. Individual. Oblique HUF. Option D. Company only. Option A is a correct answer. All assesses. Question number 33. Contractual liability arise where? Contractual liabilities कहाँ पर arise होती है? Option A there is offer and acceptance only. Option B there is intention to create legal relation. Option C there is loss to one party. Option D the loss of one party is the gain of the other party. ऑप्शन बी देयर इज इंटेंशन टू क्रिएट ए लीगल रिलेशन जहाँ पर एक लीगल रिलेशन की बात करते हैं वहाँ सो ऑप्शन बी इज ए करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द कंट्रक्चुअल liabilities arising. Question number 34. Provision of section 10th of CPC. Option A directory, option B mandatory, option C non-mandatory, option D discretionary. Option B mandatory is correct answer because of the provision of section 10 of CPC talk about the staying of the trial, stop the trial, sense that if a party applies for staying the trial of the subsequently instituted suit during the pendency of the provisionally instituted suit or an appeal or second appeal arising therefrom, then the court has no alternative but to stay the proceeding in the subsequently instituted suit as soon as it comes to the conclusion that questions involved in the two suits are substantially the same. यह सेक्शन 10 CPC मैंडेटरी है because no one can instituted the same matter, same party to suit. Question number 35. Constructive res judicata is contained in which of the following? Option A. Explanation third to section 11. Option B. Explanation fourth to section 11. Option C. Explanation 6 to section 11. Option D. Explanation 8 to section 11. Option B is a correct answer. Because of constructive res judicata is contained an explanation fourth to section 11 of CPC, which state that any matter which might and ought to have been made ground of defense or attack in such former suit shall be deemed to have been a matter directly and substantially in issue in such suit. So option B is a correct answer. Question number 36. The famous pronouncement of Delhi High regarding constitutional validity of Section 377 Indian Penal Code reversed by Supreme Court in Option A. Nalsa versus Union of India. Option B. Naz Foundation versus Government of NCT Delhi. Option C. Shabnam Hashmi versus Union of India. Option D. Suresh Kosal versus Naz Foundation. Option D. Suresh Kosal versus Naz Foundation is a correct examination. Example, it is a correct answer. Question number 37. A reference to the arbitration is provided in which section of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? Option A Section 7, Option B Section 8, Option C Section 9, Option D Section 10. Option B Section 8 is a correct answer. Question number 38. Under the head subsequent conduct, which of the following type of conduct would be material? Option A change of life. Option B evasion of justice. Option C fear, trembling. Option D all of them. Option D, option A change of life correct. Option B evasion of justice correct. Option C fear of trembling is correct. So the A, B, C are three is correct. Option D, all of them is a correct answer of this question. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत. यदि अच्छा लगे तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।